By 2030, India's multivitamin market will hit 7.3 billion US dollars from just about 3 billion in 2022. That's almost a 12% annual growth, faster than half of our superstar startups. But here's the twist, जो कोई supplement company आपको नहीं बताना चाहती. ज़्यादातर Indians के लिए multivitamins do absolutely nothing. और कुछ cases में they might even be making things worse. देखो, 100 साल पहले diseases like scurvy and rickets were common. Not because people were cursed, but because उनकी diet आपके hostel के खाने से बेकार थी. Then scientists discovered vitamins. फिर आए synthetic vitamins, और suddenly pills started saving lives. But somewhere along the way, the message got twisted. Vitamins cure deficiencies say, the message became everyone needs multivitamins daily. So, what does the science actually say? In 2013, the Annals of Internal Medicine published a massive study tracking hundreds of thousands of people. और उनका conclusion, multivitamins well-nourished adults में chronic diseases prevent नहीं करते. Another big study called the Physicians' Health Study 2 followed 15,000 doctors taking multivitamin pills daily for more than a decade. The result? No reduction in heart attacks, no reduction in strokes, no reduction in lifespan either. हालांकि cancer prevention and cognitive improvement में थोड़े positive effects were found, but they were like whispering in a cricket stadium, statistically inaudible. Your body loves vitamins from food, but synthetic vitamin pills, your body looks at them like, ये क्या दे दिया भाई? Where is the fiber? Where is the antioxidant? And throws most of it straight into the toilet. Congrats, your pee is now more expensive than Bangalore rent. Don't get me wrong, there are situations जहां vitamins genuinely help करते हैं. For instance, pregnant women, people with actual deficiencies, older adults with poor absorption, strict vegans, or folks with Crohn's or celiac disease. But क्या आपने एक pattern notice किया? These are specific cases. Not everyone just take everything just in case situations. Now here's the even more problematic situation. Some vitamins in high enough doses can even be dangerous. For example, beta-carotene supplements may increase lung cancer in smokers, and high doses of vitamin E can increase prostate cancer risk. ये मैं नहीं कह रहा, peer-reviewed research ने कहा है. देखो, your body runs on balance. Dumping random vitamins inside is like tuning a guitar by hitting with a hammer, counterproductive at best. And here's the cherry on the proverbial garbage cake. इंडिया में सप्लीमेंट इंडस्ट्री बिल्कुल भी टाइटली रेगुलेटेड नहीं है. FSSAI doesn't test these products before they hit the shelves. आपको ढेरों स्टडीज मिल जाएंगी finding multivitamins don't contain what the label claims, and some can even be contaminated with heavy metals. So basically, many of these pills work on trust me bro logic. तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? Simple. Eat real food. Colorful fruits, veggies, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. You don't need any superfood or a magic remedy, contrary to what health influencers might be peddling on your social media feed. Or if you think you have a deficiency, get tested. And for God's sake, please don't start any supplement without consulting with your doctor. I know, taking multivitamins feels like I did something good today. But ज़्यादातर लोगों के लिए it's a gigantic waste of time, money and energy. उन पैसों से फ्रेश वेजीज खरीदो या जिम मेंबरशिप लो. कुछ नहीं तो पानी पूरी ही खा लो. Honestly, the joy might improve your health more than the vitamins you're taking. Alright, if you have made this far into the video, can I ask you a favor? Please like this video and share it with your friends. It helps me reach a wider audience. And tell me in the comments, क्या आप multivitamins लेते हैं? I'm just curious. Subscribe for more myth busting videos and I'll see you in the next one.